Okay, today we're filming a video on helmet cam, and we're moving soon, which means I need to decommission everything at this house. Now, one thing I don't normally do is talk about the cameras. We have at least 16 cameras on this place. They've all got to come down, and today we're going to deal with one. If I can find my spare mouse here. The place looks like a junk pile. One that I've had up here for a long time is this 36 times pan tilt zoom camera. We probably can't see it here, but yeah, it's a good camera. It's on a 40-foot pole. It's got to come off the roof now. So we're going to set that back to a neutral position, and this will be the last time we ever see any footage from that, because we're going to go through to which camera was this one? I don't remember which camera this was. I think it was channel 6. So channel 6 is now off. Now we're going to go up and remove it, which is going to be a little tricky. Now, obviously everything looks like a bit of a bomb site right now, because we're having to pull everything off the shelves. Including all my tools. So usually there's a spare spanner or something in here that I can get a bit of leverage with while I'm up there. But it might be just Leatherman that I take with me, and I'm headbutting things. One thing I'm not going to miss is this low down stuff. The new shed's like 12-foot ceiling and it's 14 meters long. I'll have more room than I have now left over after I parked my whole fleet in there. So I'm really happy about that. I don't know where there's a spanner. I've got a Leatherman on me. I think Leatherman might do the job. Let's get the ladder. Right, this sheet of tin. I don't know where it came from. It's been here for literally a decade. That needs to get out of the way. Heavy duty extension ladder. And there's other stuff that's got to come off the roof too, but we'll take a look at that when we're up there. Snails. Doing the works. Alright. Yuck. Snail water. I won't miss them either. Do we have enough on the roof? Now, is this... We'll just bed this in, make sure it's nice and settled. Got enough over the top. Okay, up we go. Right, we walk along the battens. Now, guide wires are going to come out. We'll tackle them in a minute. The old shed roof that is not as stable. So what we need to do, need to drop the top section. So first section of guide wires are going to come down. That should reduce the tension, which will allow us to get it down. And now I need to get zip tie off. Go. This is the guy I was looking for the spanner for. I did lubricate it last time I was up here, which was a while ago. This might slacken off. It's going to go all right. Okay. Yep. Down we come. All right. Here we go. Oh, that was nearly my fingers. I'm glad I know to keep them out of the way. So... 3 of these can come off. That's all good. This one is going to get off there. We've got along with the neighbours really well here for quite a long time, so it is a bit sad to go for that. It's not really a situation that we really have a choice about leaving. But we'll do it as we go. These solar panels are going to come off too. Then I think they're just stuck down with a bit of adhesive, or not even that. So they shouldn't be too hard. I think I know why we keep having gutter overflows in the back end of the property, but also not our problem anymore. Alright. This one's still got to come down. Oh, that jammed in pretty hard. Okay, well, we might be able to just loosen this guy. This hasn't been loosened in donkey's years. So let's see if we can get you to loosen and collapse down. Okay. There we go. Nope. No one. Camera down. Come on. Camera down. Don't tell me that captive nut is twisting inside the pole. You are, you barstool. Okay. Well, that might be... We just have to pull everything out on the pole. So let's zip tie off. And we don't need this cable anymore, so you can go off. Oh, it's liberating to be able to just chop stuff. Let's put Leatherman away. I might be able to lift this one up. Alright. That's that off. Jeez, that timbers. We kept getting fat ass birds landing on this. And they kept pushing it down. And this bit was supposed to brush the bloody camera to keep the lens clean. So, there we go. Now, we might be able to drop this down safely without having to jump down with it. Beautiful. It's a windy day today. Alright. Now that's off, we can chop these off. Right. Chop you off. Liberating. Alright. So all of these can go down over here. I think this one wasn't bolted in, it was just... Yeah, it was just pushed in there. I want this piece of aluminium tube, it's nice. So if I can get it out, it'll be good. There we go. It's moving. Alright. Not worth falling off the roof for it, so we throw it down. Alright, that took way less time to remove than it did when I first put that in. Alright, now we're going to do that one. Alright. Had peanut gallery while I work. Careful. Alright. With that, the famous pole camera is down. I haven't covered cameras on this channel a lot because it tends to reveal location and personal information and everything, but we no longer care anymore. We're moving. So, alright. Now we want to clear these out. These will be a trip hazard. Get them out of the way. We'll make them disposable shortly. Now we need this guy. Where's the handle? Last little bit here is remove the other cables the guide wires off the roof up here. That can stay open. That can go there. This one can go there. Oh, bit more length. Good. We're on solid ground. There we go. Careful. I don't want to go up too quick. I'll lose my balance. Alright, Rob. These solar panels run the 12 volt backup system. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to actually transplant that system, but I do have a lot of 12 volt stuff that runs on it. Alright. Decommissioned. I'll be glad to get away from all the lichen as well. These guys, I'm pretty sure I can chop that cable from underneath and just pull up. And then I get a ladder from here. I'll get a hook on a stick, drag them towards the edge, and then lower them down to an extra pair of hands. That will be easy. Alright, we do have a couple other cameras to take down. I might do them, being as this was so quick. So we'll be back in a moment. Yeah, magpies are going to be the guys that we've been trying to wean them off the handouts so they get used to not coming here. But this little guy's got some string around his feet. I've never been able to catch him and fix it. That is going to be the sad bit. And I'm about to freak him out because I'm going to pull this ladder down and they don't like the ladder. Alright. Look out, guys. Alright. Alright, let's see what's going on with the camera. Right, we are indeed recording. This is the glitchy GoPro. So we have Robertson screw. But yeah, as I was saying, we have new neighbours on this side. The landlord we have used to own the house either side. He just recently sold them on both sides. And that's what he's doing to this. So, and that's why we've got to go. Which means we've got to pull all these down. Now, one camera has been traditionally, well, we have looked after all the properties on the cameras. And, of course, with new tenants, they might not necessarily like cameras hanging over the fence now. And we're moving in about 3 or 4 days, so these guys can all come out. If I'm lucky, I'll be able to pull some of these cables back through. Now, this guy is on standard cable, I think. There's the power. This is going to be the other one. Always challenging to get these things through. Here we go. That one. Okay, so you can poke back through the hole. Because this is a hole where the old hot water pipe used to come through. We just covered it up with a camera. Okay. Channel 8 is down. Alright, I forget what the other one around the side is. But, let's go and put that one up. It's nice to have relief from the gout and the MS for a little while. And it's come at a really opportune time. Because we need to have these things done. Now, probably don't need too much height to get to this one. Okay. Go pockets. I like these little things. Is there only one in this? There might be two. There are two. This is a really quiet, really cheap camera. These are AHD cameras. They're not analog. They're analog high def. So they're kind of like digital cameras, like you'd have for IP, but they run on analog cabling. The advantage of that is I can send pan tilt commands back up the same cable, unlike the old ones where you couldn't. Oh. Here we go. I hope that's just standard cement sheet. All these old RAF houses. Let's see how we go. Power, data, and signal rather. And we can drag that back through. No more camera. Okay, so Neighbours don't have to worry about us looking over the fence anymore, because there is no camera. There were squatters in there last week. They had to get escorted out by police. Here we go. Alright. With that, that's today's quota of video. Do some more tomorrow. Work out those. I just had a mate call me. He's offered to help get these down. So, yeah. Decommissioning stuff. We used to have one in that tree looking over the back fence too. Because somebody did jump that back fence one night. We've had people all over this property trespassing everywhere. So, the reason we had 16 cameras is there's been more than 16 events that necessitated cameras. So, plus I used to do this as a business. Anyway, yeah, I'll continue packing up, continue getting ready to go, and we'll do another video. See you in the next one.